Hello friends, this is Naresh Agarwal. I am in the business of travel since last 16 years. And during these 16 years, I got an opportunity to work with a lot of youngsters who have joined the profession after completing their degrees and diploma in the field of travel. They have been well taught and made well versed. Still, I felt that there was a large scope to impart practical experiences that can make them a far better travel professional and customer friendly. In fact, being in the competitive trade, most of the travel agents, group tour operators are in a rat race to lower the cost of the package and draw a run-of-the-mill itinerary without understanding the traveling needs of the client. So, thus the new entrants follow the trend. Planning a travel itinerary is a passion by itself, and as a travel professional, the obsession and passion to make holidays of my customers a lifetime memory has always been my motto. Various aspects have to be kept in mind after understanding the traveling needs of the traveler. Weather conditions of the destination at the time the client has to travel, what kind of budget this client would be carrying for this particular holiday, and how well your client is traveled, and lot many thoughts goes into the planning to make a perfect holiday. This period of COVID-19 has hit worse the travel trade the world over and led the people in the travel as well as the new entrances and students pursuing their studies in the field of travel being shaky about the future of the travel industry. Maybe some of my friends are pessimistic, but as far as me, I am quite optimistic. And this optimism is the result of studies of various facts and figures pertaining about the trade. Dear friends, the figures I am going to quote are only in respect to the Indian market. In 2018, the contribution of travel industry in the GDP of India was approximately rupees 16 lakh crores. And before the COVID hit the world, it was projected to have 100% growth by 2028, just with the span of 10 years. That means the projected contribution of travel industry in the GDP of India would have been approximately rupees 32 lakh crore rupees by 2028. If this COVID would have not created this hurdle. I'm sure most of us understand that the travel industry plays a significant role in the economical growth of any country. I must not forget to mention that there are many countries in the world where the contribution of travel trade in their GDP is much higher vis-a-vis our country. The point is to make you understand the importance of this industry worldwide, and this industry is bound to bounce back. As in one of the quote, the American General George S. Patton quoted, "Success is how higher you bounce back once you hit the bottom." The travel industry has already hit the lifetime bottom. And now, if anything can happen to this industry, is something for good. This travel industry will bounce back to new heights. Only the question is, are we as travel professionals ready to deal with the industry once it's bounced back? To ensure that we grow hand in hand with the industry, we will have to update our knowledge on the destinations and products. We will also have to change the conventional style of working where most of the travel professionals get into the race to lower the cost of the package, rather offering clients some different experiences or products to enhance their entire experience of the holiday. पर हम भी क्या करें साहब, क्लाइंट का फोन आता है, एक्स डेस्टिनेशन पे जाना है, कितने का पैकेज बनेगा। वो भी ये जानने में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है कि आप इस डेस्टिनेशन में एक डिफरेंट फ्लेवर मुझे क्या दे सकते हो. But we as travel professionals can always make the client understand the destination and its offering better. We understand the destination better than them. We should know what activities or product to offer to which client. It is not necessarily important to sell the same product to all the clients that come our way. People of different age, with different taste, people with different spending powers cannot be offered the same product and itineraries. It is with this optimism and a thought that learning is a regular process and sharing the same with others is a wonderful idea. Thus, I thought of sharing my experiences with case studies through a book written by me under the title of From a Travel Desk to the Globe, a Complete Guide. This book deals with the practical aspects of the trade, and in this book I have tried to put some light how to pick destination. I am going to start a course which will deal with the practical aspects of the travel trade with a lot of case studies, and we will also learn and understand a lot of destinations and their offerings. I would request all the students, those who are willing to join this course, they can call me. Thank you.